Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to make a free Minecraft server using Aternos. So let's get started. First, head over to the Aternos website at aternos.org. Scroll down and tap on Play, which should be in the top right corner. If you already have an account, log in. If not, tap on Sign Up. Enter a username. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then enter a password. You can also add an email if you want. After signing up, you will be taken to the servers page where you can create your server. Tap on Create a Server and choose the Minecraft version you want, either Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. Most people use Java Edition, but choose whichever you play. Then pick a unique name for your server. If the name is taken, you will be notified to choose a different one. You can also add a description and customize its color. To start the server, tap Server at the top and press Start. Agree to the Minecraft EULA. It may take a moment for the server to go online, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.